Hey guys, it's Jess, and I'm excited to share my very last Simon Hurley Create project for 2019. Literally the last day of the year today, and I am so excited to share this card with you guys. It's a simple one, though it did take me a little bit of time just to do all the coloring and whatnot. But I like that it is a clean and simple look, but still has the nice birthday theme that I'm going with here. So I decided to use the cute little head of the girl from Surf's Up and stamp her out 3 times across a horizontal layout piece of cardstock. Or a landscape, I guess would be the more obvious way to say that. So I turned it sideways so that this is going to be a top folding card, but it will be landscape. I'm stamping my little girl head 3 times. So I started with the one in the center just to make sure that I could space them evenly. And of course, using the Mini Misty is a lifesaver here because I am awful at positioning stamps by myself. So using the scrapbook.com black hybrid ink here, I really like it because you can use it with your alcohol markers, and I haven't had any issues with it smudging or smearing, and I don't have to wait too long for it to dry either. Going to my trusty Spectrum Noir alcohol markers. These are the Classique markers. This is an alcohol-based ink formula, and I have had really good results blending with these markers, and I've really gotten to know them and get familiar with them, so they've been a lot of fun for me to learn to use and get comfortable with. So I'm going to be using some different colors for hair and skin tone on each of these girls. I'm going to go ahead and pop a little bit of music on, and I will check back in with you once all the coloring is finished and we can go ahead and assemble the rest of the card. right, so now that we are done with our coloring, we can go ahead and assemble the rest of our card. So I decided to use the happy birthday sentiment from Bestest Friends. I really like the ability to mix and match sentiments from all of the different Simon Hurley products from Ranger. I just think that they all work really well together, and you can pick one part of a sentiment from one stamp set, grab another from one of the other sets, and they all coordinate really well. I really like that flexibility when I am creating with this line of products. So I decided on happy birthday, but I didn't want to stop there. And on the theme of mixing and matching, I decided to pull a smaller sentiment from Dudes 2, which says from all of us. I thought it was super cute with the 3 different girl faces. And this would be like a good way to do maybe an office birthday card, you know, like whatever, coworkers, anything. And you have girlfriends you want to send stuff to. I just think this is really cute. It's a cool way to have a clean and simple card that still looks really cool, really put together. I don't know, I just think it came together really cool. So I am just trimming off the edges here, getting it cut down to size so that it is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I will mount it on a white A2 size card base. So this is the Simon Hurley Create Stark White cardstock. This stuff is super sturdy. I did decide to go ahead and use some of this scrapbook.com foam adhesive. This comes on this giant roll. This is still a new product for scrapbook.com, and I am loving it. You can see it was super easy for me to just rip that right off, and that finished off my cards. Here is a look at the final project for you. I hope that you guys love it. If you do, be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Leave me a thumbs up if you did like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in another video really soon.